Welcome to Ebba's Bar. All we're going to ask our normals to do is take it in turns to name the ingredient. You can look at it and you can smell it, but the moment you touch the vessel or ingredient, you must then commit to an answer. If you get it wrong, you lose a life. Simple as that.
Let's do it.
Let's go. It can't be worse than last time.
Blindfolds off, because the category is alcohol.
Oh!
They are all alcohols we have used to cook with in the last few years. I'm going to flip a coin to work out who goes first. Barry, heads or tails?
Heads.
Yes, it is heads. You get to choose. Do you go first or second?
First! I'm definitely going first. Right.
Ooh. He has committed to one. He's going to have a little sip, and then I need him to name that alcohol.
It's an almond liqueur. Or amaretto.
It's the other one.
This is wrong.
But that's why we're going to allow almond liqueur. Yes, an Italian almond liqueur. Wonderful ingredient in many, many a dessert.
I picked my favourite.
Yeah, it's your favourite.
You did pick your favourite. I'm going to have to take it off you and add it to the bar.
Baz, don't worry. There's some more to go through.
No lives lost. Jamie, your turn. He's touched the glass. He's committing to.
He's committed to.
Is that indeed what you hoped it would be?
Oh, yes. It makes me happy. It's tequila.
Oh, I'm so
That
glad you
is
drank that one. I didn't.
Tequila.
Correct.
Baz, your turn. So far, it's level pegging.
Oh.
He's committed to.
Smelling is good. I like this.
Yeah.
Name that alcohol.
That is a coffee liqueur.
He's moving down the liqueurs. It is Kahlua, a coffee liqueur.
Well done, Barry.
Guess number 2 for Jamie.
Okay, get right in there.
Bitter orange liqueur. I'm going to go for APEROL.
Correct. The colour is its brand, let's be honest.
Yes, I have that before I drink it all.
Love that in a spritzer. I'm going to put a spoiler. I'm going to put a spoiler out there. We haven't put our very own strawberry gin into the category mix, but you can try at home for the very affordable price as linked below.
He last minute plug.
Yeah,
He just thought of
yeah.
that.
We were saving that one to last. I thought we just had a gentleman's agreement.
It's delicious though, isn't it?
It is
And it's
delicious.
Baileys.
It is Irish whiskey cream Baileys.
Come on, Schnozzle, let's go.
He leans into that one every time and then moves on and goes, don't know it. Oh, did he touch that one? Did we see, did his boob touch that one bottom left? Because I think it might have done as he leant over. You have touched bottom left.
You gotta be careful.
I gave my rules.
Wonderful, well done.
I mean, you've sniffed it every single time and then moved on.
Fine. We are where we are. I'm not sure I know what that is.
Oh no!
I don't think it is this, but I'm going to go with gin.
It is not. Replace the glass. That is a life lost.
Now.
No. Mind your boobs.
Where?
Mind your boobs.
Super fruity. Oh, it's one of two things. Is that Pedro Jimenez?
Or the broader topic of sherry.
Yeah, sherry. It's a sherry.
I would be very impressed if you'd got that specificity.
Okay.
It is not sherry.
Oh no!
Barry, what's the other one?
Look at the other one in my head.
That's a life lost each.
Oh, he's going round. This is getting serious.
Oh.
I know.
Take a seat and make a decision. Which one are you going for?
Oh.
He's committed.
I haven't smelled that one yet.
No, and I'm hoping you won't get the chance to.
He's going to taste it to double check, and then he's going to name that ingredient. It is...
Commit. I think that is an almond liqueur.
Your answer is locked in. It's exactly the same answer that Barry gave with this Serrano and Amaretto. It is not almond liqueur. 2 lives lost for Jamie, 1 life lost for Barry.
Yeah.
Equal guesses. Barry, it's your go.
Oh, that's really recognisable.
Correct. But he's going back to the one he got wrong before. He's going back to the one he got wrong before. It was not sherry. Pedro Jimenez, you particularly said. What is it?
Port.
Incorrect. Put it back.
What are you then? What are you?
But you have identified it as fruity. Well done. Jamie, your turn. You've lost 2 lives. Please don't lose another.
Oh, you're going for the
with a
Rogue
mixer.
17. That's the one I feel like you'd be more confident with than I would.
It's a whiskey.
It is not whiskey. It is not whiskey. Pop it back.
Wow, brilliant. This is this is tense now. That's not what I thought it was going to be.
I hate it when that happens.
Oh no, this is going to get really tricky now. The more we drink, the harder this gets. I don't think it's this, but I'm going for it just because I think it'll be rubbing salt into Jamie's wound. Whiskey.
It is not whiskey.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm not confident on that now. It's going to hit me later.
I think all of these will hit you later when you realise how much alcohol you're drinking.
If you're enjoying this, there are some small things you can do that make a big difference to us. Like the video. Subscribe if you aren't. Click the notification bell and select all. Thanks.
Another clear liquid.
That doesn't really have much smell. Oh, Barry, it doesn't taste of anything.
It's a lie.
It's so
Absolutely delicious.
It's so watery. This is much lower. Look at the viscosity. It's watery.
It's still quite high ABV to be calling it watery. He's drunk it all, which gives it a very awkward chance for Barry.
Oh, brilliant! Thanks,
Jamie
mate.
can't get it. But is Jamie going to lose a 4th life on this? I need a name from you.
I have nothing.
Just throw one out there so we can say it's not that.
Gin.
It is not gin. It is a lot lower ABV than gin. He's committed to that one up front.
This is one of 2 things.
Not sherry or port, I'll tell you that much.
Oh, yeah, it has to be. Campari.
Correct.
Oh, Barry, yes.
It was there as a bit of a challenge against the Aperol. Jamie, you've only got 1 life left. I know you're colourblind, but I feel like there's one you should know.
I've been avoiding that one.
He's committed to that one.
Please be whiskey.
That is an Irish whiskey.
Yeah, well done.
That's Jameson's. We've been to the distillery.
Yeah.
Oof.
Ooh.
Oh, God, that's horrible.
Not to your liking, I think is the correct phrase.
not to be sipped like that. It's ridiculously bitter. And I thought it was going to be sweet. I've never had it on its own, and because of its bitterness and its colour, I'm going to say it's Cointreau.
It is not Cointreau.
I've never had Cointreau straight, so I don't know really what it tastes like.
I'm going back into my memory. Because
My
that
memory hull.
is a very specific memory.
Correct.
Good times or bad times?
Good times.
Okay.
Like, as in a memory that comes around but once a year.
I mean, that was sabotage. But you did make contact with that other clear liquid.
Rules are rules, mate.
Use all your senses.
Very viscous.
Oh, Jay, you got to get this right, mate.
Oh.
Jamie, if you get this wrong, Barry Taylor has outdrunk you.
Never happened.
God, what's happening to me?
I think I know what it is from the smell. I've just smelled it and I think I know what it is.
There's only one that I can think of. It's got a burn to it.
Mm-hmm. So relatively high ABV.
Relatively high ABV, but it's viscous as well, which is what's
Correct.
confusing me, because usually...
There's not many that do both.
No.
So what is it? Barry's wrong as well.
Orange more than lemon.
Cointreau.
That's not clear. Is it?
No, it's not.
You sure? Well, it's the best that I've got.
Cointreau's not clear.
Comes in a dark bottle.
Oh, f*** off, no. Don't do that to me.
It's a Cointreau.
That is Cointreau. That's why I said use your ears. It's one of the only ones that's already been mentioned. Barry has committed.
Vermouth.
No! And loses a life with such a confident shout.
I have one green drink in my mind, but given how you drank that,
Yeah, it's not that.
no.
It's not that.
Fine.
I'd be on the floor. If it was
Exactly. Yeah.
absinthe.
Absinthe,
It could
yeah.
not absinthe.
I can't give you any more clues.
You also can't count, Ebbers, because I've just won the game. So why are we carrying on? It's Barry that's bad at maths, not you. What are you doing? Well, let's carry on and see where this ends up, shall we? Ebbers.
You've committed to the one you previously thought was almond liqueur. What is it?
I think it's still a nut liqueur, but I think I got the wrong nut.
Ooh.
Because I forgot that Barry already said almond. I'm going to go hazelnut.
It is Frangelico hazelnut liqueur. Absolutely delicious
Well, let me
ingredient
try that.
in
No.
desserts.
No.
Try it.
No.
There's still 8 alcohols on the table. This is also a test in
What are you?
endurance.
There's nothing in that one.
It's Barry's turn. He's touched it with his nose, he's committed.
It's sweet. It's winey. It's a dessert wine of sorts.
I mean, broadly speaking, and this is where we're going to sit on this, is that when you say almond liqueur, we give it to you regardless of the brand or the bottle. When you say whiskey, we don't need you to name which whiskey. It's just a category.
Can I say dessert wine?
You can say dessert wine. That is the correct answer. Yes! It is a late harvest Hungarian Tokai. It is delicious, but it is a dessert wine.
That is lovely. Wow, I wasn't expecting to get that.
It does pile the pressure.
No!
It does pile the pressure onto Jamie. You still have 7 glasses up for grabs, one of which is very empty because you drank it all earlier.
I've never known us to be so competitive.
No, I don't. No, because you need a break. You need a break. You need to...
Refresh your palate. Back of your hand. They always say in wine tasting, if you smell the back of your hand, it resets your palate because it is your most familiar smell.
I should have washed my hands there.
He touched something.
Oh!
He moved the table. I don't know if he
You're going back to the one you've already tried.
Last time he said whiskey. What is he saying this time?
Let's go out confidently then. That, Ebbers, is brandy.
That is rum. It is Mount Gay rum that has spent 2 years in whiskey barrels. When you said whiskey earlier, it has been aged and matured in whiskey barrels for 2 years.
Oh,
it is
man.
Mount Gay rum.
Oh, that is so hard.
Shall we put you out of your misery on some of the others?
Well done. Good
Yes,
game.
please
Good
do,
game.
because that's really hard.
The other one that you tried over there, Barry, that you said was whiskey,
Yes, I think so, yeah.
is brandy.
Here's brandy.
Is it?
This one that you
Brandy's-
thought was bitter and orange
It was bitter. Tick.
is Chinese wine or Shaoxing.
How? What? Cooking wine.
We had to put a couple of curveballs in there.
Never in a million years. What is that?
Is not sherry
No,
or port.
no.
It is creme de cassis. Wonderful with some sparkling wine, champagne in a Kia Royale.
I was worried that's what that
So
was,
fruity.
but I didn't want to
So
say it.
fruity.
This one tastes a little bit like toothpaste. It's peppermint. It's creme de menthe.
Creme de menthe.
We used it years ago in a grasshopper pie.
Yes, creme de menthe.
The one, Jamie, that you drank all of and left nothing in the glass was soju.
Ooh,
So it is
tricky.
Of course it
tricky.
was.
Not as high ABV.
Oh, sugar plum fairies, yeah.
Talking of sugar, the last one, which was not gin, was cachaça.
Cachaça.
Is that cachaça? I love cachaça.
So Brazilian sugarcane
Yeah.
juice that is turned into almost a rum-based
Wow.
drink.
Well done. Great game.
That's a good game.
Silly game. I feel great as well now.
If you drink alcohol, how many of those do you think you would have got? Comment down below and keep suggesting categories for us to play Name the Ingredient next time.